I believe I'm about done here. I just need to put down 2 more. Or 4 more, excuse me. Oh wait, no, it is 2 more. Wait, hold on. It's... Shouldn't I have... I need 2 more pointed up and 4 pointed down. No. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I'm terrible at this, clearly. How do I want to do this, though? That is the real question. You know, I think we're going to do it like this. I think this is how we want to do it for now. I would like to have a few more pointed up and down. At least up. I mean, it really doesn't matter that much. I don't know how this game works in terms of taking off. So here's the thing. I have... My upward thrust is all in the back. Which means that the pivot point is in the front. So, I don't know how physically realistic this is. If I push up, does it just flip the back of it over like physics would say it should? Or, like, what happens there? I don't know. Adding a little more cushion here. Alright, finish all this. I cannot get to the one behind. That's fine. It doesn't matter. It's really just to look nice anyway. It's all about looking nice. So I think we're actually good to go. Of course, I do need uranium to launch this thing, which is probably why this guy over here is red. And I can't... I'm going to have to take that apart, aren't I? Great. Awesome. So, I think other than that, once we get this gyroscope in, wherever it may lie, where are you? There you are. Put that right there. So I think we'll just have it... Now the rotations are boring. We'll just have it look like that. Finish this. Oh, this is going to take forever. How nice. I think we're pretty much good to go. I'm just going to have to take out that nuclear reactor. Flip it around so I can get inside of it. I can handle that. So it's a little annoyance, but it's handleable. Okay. Yeah, I think I could do with more thrust, I think. But this... You know what? I'm just going to stick one more thruster right there. One downward thruster, I think, right in there. You can hear my turrets going off in the background. I don't know if you guys can hear that. You can see it. I'm glad I have them there. Allows me to build outdoors. Outdoors are good. We don't have any problems. I'm going to get hit with at least one good meteorite before this is over, I think. Okay. Whip out my grinder here. Damn you, small reactor. I'll make sure my volume doesn't get too high either. I think we're good. Okay. I think I just started to accidentally take this... Oh, hold on. Put that back. We never got that bulletproof glass back in there. Oops. There we go. That's what we want. That's what we want. That beautiful side right there. I'm actually going to go ahead and grab 20 bulletproof glass when I go get the uranium. I feel like I'm missing something. I really, really do. I'm sure it's really obvious too. But hopefully, as it autosaves, hopefully we can make our way to victory here. God, this thing looks like a clunky beast. It just looks like a clunky beast. Okay, we're going to go grab some uranium. We're going to test it out. I almost wish I built it in a more open area, so that mistakes can have some leniency, but you know, there's only so much you can do. Bulletproof glass. How much of it do I have already? We only need 20. 20. Okay. And what do I have in terms of... What do I have in terms of uranium? I gotta find that. 10. We'll go ahead and move over 4, which is probably overkill, but I'd rather overkill it than underkill it. Uranium lasts a good bit of time. Plus, I can use this to mine out some more uranium. Okay. Get on in there. Small reactor. Oh. Do we have... Oh, let me... Can I, please, for the love of God, get over here? Oh my God. I just want to weld this thing. That's all I want to do. And I better check exactly how much space I have as well to mine. I only have so much space, which I mentioned earlier. So how can I actually check? Oh God, I didn't put something in the way, did I? Ugh, no, I didn't. I didn't. Okay, hold on. Let me just move it up just a little bit. Man. Oh, I can see it too. Look at that. Can I get in there? Is that a thing? Can I just get right in there? I just want to get right in there. Is there one in the middle as well? I would not be able to tell, I don't think. I'm surprised I'm not getting burned by this, actually. Maybe it's only when you're thrusting. Okay, well, you know, we'll just give it a go, and then we'll take it apart later. Get a better view here. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. Yes. Yes. Yes, and of course I can't use the thing because I actually have to equip it. It's actually spinning my ship a whole bunch. You see that? You may not be able to see it that well, but yeah, it's actually flinging my ship around. That's weird. Okay. Well, let's hope that that doesn't become a problem. Let me just get a better angle here. Something like that. Okay. Let's go mine. Let's go mine a little bit. My power usage is also too high. So, that's something to be aware of. Let's see here. Come in. We want to come in softly. I don't want to ram my ship into the side of this thing. Hold on. Why is it pushing my ship downward? It's pushing my ship in directions. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is finicky as all hell. I don't think it's supposed to be this finicky. Oh my goodness. Okay. So, we're going to call that our little test. I believe we've done a little bit of drilling. It's a little test for a reason. And we're going to make sure everything, it's actually collecting and all that. Let me go ahead and move down. Yeah, our power usage is a little bit high right now. Go ahead and land safely. Why is it? Hold on, why is my landing gear not activated? Should be. Should be activated. Landing gear incomplete. Oh, God damn it. Okay, I must have damaged it or something. And... oh, there we go. Oh, it would be incomplete, wouldn't it? Because I didn't actually work on it. Oh, shit. Okay, well, hold on. Problems have arisen. And of course, the ground has a giant hole in it. Why wouldn't it have a giant hole in it? That's what's cool nowadays. Having giant holes in your stuff. Just get that steel plate in there for safety and whatnot, whatever. We got a few of these that are unfinished too. You know, I'm not gonna work on it. Wrong button. There we go. Actually, hold on. Where? Over here. We'll just put it over here. We'll just start putting in some of these so that I have some place to land without it getting damaged. Right over here in the corner. Where was my ship originally landed? It wasn't right here, was it? I wouldn't have done it in the corner like this. Unless maybe I did. I'm not entirely sure. So I may need to put a little more work into my ship. Because it was very finicky, and I've actually used a ship like that in creative mode, and it is not even remotely that finicky. So maybe I'll go into creative mode in their starter map and see exactly what they did versus what I did, and see if I can get that kind of matched up a little better. Hold on. Here we go. Landing gear. Well, nope. Hold on. Landing gear. Lock. Okay. Jesus. Best landing ever. Okay. Now, I'm going to go ahead and just turn you off. Actually, why can I not? Am I not close enough? Whatever, we'll just come in here and we'll just turn off the reactor entirely. That is funny. Okay, and yeah, I want to get in here. So let me go ahead and grind this guy down. Actually get at an angle where I don't destroy other stuff. Anything in here? Yep, we got some iron. We got some iron in there. So we'll just go ahead and move both of these where they're not in the way. And also, if I ever want to put in a conveyor, I could just kind of put it along the side here or something. So that was the ones pointed forward, right? I believe so, yes. Okay. So I'm gonna need a new location for those, which I guess can probably just be like right here. I guess. Yeah, we'll just do them like right there. Pretty much the same spot, just slightly different. Really? I'm stuck? Okay. Thought I was stuck for a moment. That would have been terrible. I'm really glad that the grinder gives you 100% of your stuff back. It would be really annoying if I had to constantly go back and get the right components and whatnot. Would not like that. Not like that one bit. And I lost health at one point. I don't remember that. Or maybe I... No. I thought that was before I died. I don't remember. I died at one point. Guess that should be good. Grab that iron. Which is not a ton of iron, but it's... You know what? It's a good bit, and it didn't take me long either. And for some reason the left one got a lot more than the right one. Totally okay. Okay. Yes, I'm going to want to fiddle with that a little bit. Also, before I forget, I'm going to go ahead and make sure I put a nuclear reactor on there. Nuclear reactor components. Here we go. Hold on. I'm going to find them. I'm going to find a small reactor, please. Give me all the stuff for that. Is it just all of this? It might be all of this. I didn't think a reactor took this many. Does it? Hold on. I guess it does, yeah. It takes quite a bit of stuff. Cool. Coolio. So it may have just been finicky, actually, because there wasn't enough power to go to all the thrusters, so it just... I don't know how it's programmed. It may just alternate or something, but... It would be nice if these were, like, connected or something, but... Whatever. You know what? It doesn't have to be Perfect. I don't think it matters if one of them is off-center. I don't think the ship's gonna just, like, spin out of control or something. And I see smoke. I guess that's just an effect for when you're welding. I know this game doesn't have a fire game mechanic, but sometimes I really feel like it does. I've seen it scared me more than a few times where it looks like something's on fire and it's not. I'm gonna go ahead and grab half the stuff from here. Looks like I'm gonna go ahead and probably grab a little bit more at one point. Alright, so we got that on. Let's go ahead and turn both of them on. And see if we can make this work a little bit better. And of course this is locked, so I need to unlock that. Wrong button. They use really weird buttons in this game for stuff, and I don't know why they chose to do it that way, but it's okay. Because now we have more than enough power. We're only using like 50% right now. Yeah, so these really like shake around my entire ship. Oh, and you know what? I never actually checked. Why is it pushing me to the right? Jesus. I never checked the maximum capacity, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. We actually don't need to worry too much about everything here. Hold on. Get in there. Alright, what's that say? Maximum capacity? 10,000. That's pretty good capacity, actually. I could do a lot with that. I don't need to worry about that. Yeah, 10,000. That's quite a bit. Alright, well, I am glad I've got this up and running. I'm going to do a little more research, I think, before I record my next part, where I figure out... Whoa! Fell out of the... fell into the gravity zone, I should say. Where I'm going to figure out exactly why this thing is so finicky. It shakes around a whole bunch when I turn, especially when I turn these things on. It just kind of goes whatever direction it wants to. So I'm going to figure that out. I'll see you guys next time.